Hey gardening friends, I thought I'd do a quick video just to share progress on the winter sowing that I've done. I only started a few jugs this year, but let's see what we have. So in this jug I have two types of snapdragons, one in apricot and then one lavender. Back here we have swallowtail fennel. In this jug we have white nigella. In this jug I have two types of poppies. I think this is called Lauren's Dark Grape, and then the Hungarian Blue is on the other side of the jug. So I have two types in one jug. This is White Swan Echinacea in this jug. In this one I have Lupin on one side of the jug, and then there's yarrow on the other side. So I've only started 5 jugs and maybe about 7 different varieties. So let's go in and take a look and see how they're doing. Yes, lots of great germination. Those were the poppies. If you can get it to focus, we can see the snapdragons. And this is Echinacea. I think there's a couple that have germinated inside, not too many. And we have some germination inside here. That's the yarrow and the lupin. And there you have the hyssop. And then on the other side, the echinacea, that hasn't germinated quite yet. And this is the white nigella. We have a little bit of germination there. And then in this last jug, get it to focus. This is the fennel. I don't think I see anything yet, but as you can see, we have germination in most of the jugs, and so far so good. Happy gardening.